Hello students, today is the 12th lecture for SY BCom students. The name of the topic is Examples and Problems on Two Attributes. Let us define attributes. A qualitative characteristic is called as attribute. For example, employment, literacy, beauty, etc. Dichotomy. When we classify the observations by making two groups, the classification is called as dichotomy. In dichotomous situation, we put all atoms possessing a particular attribute in one group and the remaining in other group. In other words, we classify the observations according to presence or absence of an attribute for dichotomous classification. Notation: dichotomy. When we classify the observations by making two groups, the classification is called as dichotomy. It is customary to denote the presence of attributes by capital letters A, B, C, etc. and the absence of the corresponding attributes by Greek letters alpha, beta, gamma, etc. For example, if A denotes male, then alpha denotes female. Sometimes an observation is described with the help of two or more attributes simultaneously. For example, rural male. In this case, we use combination of two attributes. Accordingly, if A denotes rural, B denotes male, then AB denotes rural male, alpha beta denotes urban female, alpha B denotes urban male, and A beta denote rural female. Further, if C denotes literate person, then ABC will denote rural literate male, A beta gamma will denote rural illiterate male, etc. Definition of class. Symbols such as A, AB, A beta C denote a class of observations. Class frequency. The number of observations belonging to a particular class is called a class frequency. It is denoted by the respective class symbol enclosed in brackets. For example, bracket A denotes frequency of class A. Bracket A beta denotes frequency of class A beta. Positive attributes. The attributes denoted by capital letters A, B, C, etc. are called as positive attributes. Negative attributes. The attributes denoted by Greek letters alpha, beta, gamma are called as negative attributes. Positive classes. The classes denoted by capital letters or combination of capital letters are called as positive classes. For example, A, AB, BC, ABC are positive classes. Negative classes. The classes denoted by Greek letters or combination of Greek letters are called as negative classes. For example, alpha, alpha beta, alpha gamma, beta gamma, alpha beta gamma are negative classes. Order of classes. A class denoted by a combination of n attributes is called as nth order class. Therefore, A, B, alpha, beta, etc. are first order classes. AB, alpha, beta, A beta and alpha B are second order classes. ABC, A beta C, alpha BC up to alpha beta gamma, etc. are third order classes. So for two attributes, there will be 2 raised to 2, that is 4 ultimate class frequencies. In case of 3 attributes, there will be 2 raised to 3, that is 8 ultimate class frequencies. So total number of class frequencies for 2 attributes we can specify order 0, class frequency is named as 1, n, and number of classes is 1. If order 1, bracket A, bracket B, bracket alpha, bracket beta, so there are 4 number of classes. For order 2, we have AB, alpha B, A beta, alpha beta. Again there are 4 number of classes. So the total number of classes for 2 attributes is 9. If we consider 3 attributes, so we will have 27 number of classes, such as n, value of n is having order 0 and class 1. For one attribute A, B, C, alpha, beta, gamma. So there are 6 number of classes. At second order, AB, A beta, alpha B, alpha beta, BC, beta C, B gamma, beta gamma, AC, alpha C, A gamma, alpha gamma. There are 12 number of classes. For order 3, ABC, A beta C, AB gamma, A beta gamma, alpha BC, alpha beta C, alpha B gamma, alpha beta gamma. There are 8 number of classes. So 1 plus 6 plus 12 plus 8. So total there are 27 classes. So for given data about 2 attributes, we can construct a 9-square table as below. A alpha total, B beta total. So this value is specified by AB. This is A beta, alpha B, alpha beta. Value of n is given here. Total of A, frequency of class A is denoted by bracket A. Frequency of class alpha is denoted by bracket alpha. Frequency of class beta is denoted by bracket B. Frequency of beta is denoted by bracket beta, and value of n. So A can be written as AB plus alpha B. Alpha can be written as alpha B plus alpha beta. B, the formula becomes AB plus alpha B. And for beta, A beta plus alpha beta. So we can say that n is equal to A plus alpha, or n is equal to B plus beta, or n can be written as AB plus A beta plus alpha B plus alpha beta. See the example. From the following data, find the missing frequencies. AB is equal to 80. Frequency of class A is 100. Value of n is 150. Frequency of class B is 110. Here we use the above relations to find the missing frequencies as A alpha total, B beta total. We will write the value of n. We will fill all the values which are given in the problem statement. So value of n is given to be 150. Value of frequency of class A is given as 100. So frequency of A we will fill as 100. Frequency of B is given as 110. So B frequency is 110. AB value is given as 80. So frequency of AB class is 80. So we will find the remaining class frequencies as 150 minus 100 becomes frequency of class alpha. So frequency of class alpha is 50. Frequency of class beta can be calculated as 150 minus 110. So it becomes 40. Now 100 minus 80 will give you 20. So A beta value is 20. 40 minus 20 will be 20. 50 minus 20 will be 30. So alpha B value is 30. Alpha beta value is 20. A beta value is 20. See the example. Out of 100 students interviewed, 40 liked Indian music, 70 liked Western music, and 20 did not like both. Find the number of students who like both the types of music. So first of all, we will define the attribute A as students like Indian music. So alpha will be students do not like Indian music. B, students like Western music. beta can be considered as students do not like Western music. So from the problem statement, we can recognize the values as n is equal to 100, frequency of class A is equal to 40, frequency of class B is equal to 70, and frequency of class alpha beta, because number of students who did not like both is denoted by alpha and beta, so alpha beta value is 20, and we have to find the value of frequency of AB. So we can find the frequencies using 9-square table, or it is also called as 2x2 contingency table, as A alpha total, B beta total, and value of n. Now replace the values which are given. Value of n is given to be 100. Frequency of class A is 40. Frequency of class B is 70. And frequency of class alpha beta is 20. So we can find the remaining values as 100 minus 40 becomes 60, which is the frequency of class alpha. 100 minus 70 becomes 30, which is frequency of class beta. Then 40 minus 30 becomes 10. 10 plus 20 becomes 30. So 60 minus 20 will become 40. So these are the remaining values. We want to find number of students who like both the types of music. It is given as 30. See the next example. In a group of 200 students from Mumbai College, 150 like Hindi films, 100 like English films, and 30 do not like both the films. Find the number of students who like first part of the problem, only Hindi films. Second part of the problem, film in only one language. Third part of the problem, no film. So let A denote the attribute that student like Hindi films. Alpha denote that student do not like Hindi films. B denote student like English films. Beta denote that student do not like English films. So given that n is equal to 200, frequency of class A is 150, frequency of class B is 100, and frequency of class alpha beta is equal to 30. We have to find first part of the problem, number of students who like only Hindi films. It means A beta. Second part of the problem, film in only one language. It means alpha B plus A beta. Third part of the problem, no film, means alpha beta. So first of all, we'll write 2x2 contingency table as A alpha total, B beta total, and value of n. Fill the values which are given in the problem statement. We are given n is equal to 200. Frequency of class A is 150. Frequency of class A is 150. Frequency of class B is 100. So frequency of class B is 100. And frequency of alpha beta is 30. So alpha beta, the frequency is 30. So 4 values if we have in this table, we can find the remaining values as 200 minus 150 will give you 50. 50 minus 30 will give you 20. 200 minus 100 will give you 100. 100 minus 30 will give you 70. 150 minus 70 will give you 80. So the things which we want can be given as number of students who like only Hindi films. That is nothing but A beta. The value is nothing but 70. See, this is the value A beta. The value is 70. Film in only one language means A beta plus alpha B. A beta, just now we have seen that it is 70. Alpha B, the value is 20. So the total becomes 70 plus 20, that is nothing but 90. And no film means alpha beta. This value is directly given in the problem statement, which is nothing but 30. Next example. Out of 500 persons, 450 were inoculated against cholera and 100 were attacked by cholera. If among the persons who were inoculated, 50 were attacked by cholera, find the number of persons, first part of the problem, not inoculated but attacked by cholera. Second part of the problem, inoculated but not attacked by cholera. And third part of the problem, who were not inoculated, not attacked by cholera. So let us define the attributes as A, persons inoculated against cholera. Alpha, persons not inoculated against cholera. B, persons attacked by cholera. Beta, persons not attacked by cholera. So from the problem statement we can recognize the values of n is equal to 500. Frequency of class A is equal to 450. Frequency of class B is equal to 100. And frequency of class AB is equal to 50. We have to find first part of the problem, number of persons not inoculated but attacked by cholera. It means alpha B. Second part of the problem, number of persons inoculated but not attacked by cholera. It means A beta. Third part of the problem, number of persons who were not inoculated and not attacked by cholera, which is nothing but alpha beta. So we will fill all the values in the 2 by 2 contingency table as A alpha total, B beta total. We are given that n is equal to 500. Frequency of class A is equal to 450. Frequency of class B is equal to 100. And frequency of class AB is 50. So these 4 values are given. We can find the remaining values as 500 minus 450 will be 50. 450 minus 50 will be 400. 400 minus 400 will be 0. 50 minus 0 will be 50. So from this table we can find the answers. Number of persons not inoculated but attacked by cholera, which is nothing but alpha B. So alpha B value is nothing but 50. Second part of the problem, number of persons inoculated but not attacked by cholera, which is nothing but A beta. So A beta, the value is 400. Third part of the problem, number of persons not inoculated and not attacked by cholera, which is nothing but alpha beta. So the value of alpha beta is equal to 0. See the next example. Given the following frequencies, obtain the remaining class frequencies. AB is equal to 20, A beta is equal to 10, alpha B is equal to 15, alpha beta is equal to 55. Now we will draw 2 by 2 contingency table as A alpha total, B beta total and value of n. Replace all the values which are given in the problem statement. Value of AB is given to be 20. So replace AB, frequency of class AB is equal to 20. Frequency of class A beta is equal to 10. Frequency of class alpha B is equal to 15. So alpha B is 15 and alpha beta is equal to 55. So we can find the remaining values as AB plus A beta is nothing but frequency of A. So 20 plus 10 becomes 30. Alpha B plus alpha beta becomes frequency of alpha. So 15 plus 55, answer is 70. We know that A plus alpha is equal to n. So 30 plus 70 becomes 100. Then AB plus alpha B is frequency of B. So 20 plus 15 is nothing but 35. Frequency of B is 35. A beta plus alpha beta becomes frequency of beta. That is nothing but 10 plus 55 is equal to 65. So B plus beta is equal to n. So 35 plus 65 is equal to 100. Next example. A report regarding examination is given below. Total number of candidates appeared in an examination is 1000. There are 550 points among 1000. 700 candidates were successful. Number of successful boys is 300. Find the number of successful girls, number of unsuccessful girls and number of unsuccessful boys. Solution. So in this example, there are two attributes A and B. Let A denote boy, then alpha denote girl. B denote successful candidate, then beta denote unsuccessful candidate. We are given that value of n is equal to 1000, frequency of class A is equal to 550, frequency of class B is equal to 700, frequency of class AB is equal to 300. To find number of successful girls, which is nothing but alpha B. Second part of the problem, number of unsuccessful girls, which is nothing but alpha beta. Number of unsuccessful boys is nothing but A beta. So we will prepare table below. We find the remaining frequencies. A alpha total, B beta total, value of n. So replace all these values. We are given that n is equal to 1000. Frequency of class A is 550. Frequency of class B is 700. And frequency of class AB is equal to 300. So remaining class frequencies we can find. 1000 minus 550 is nothing but 450. 1000 minus 700 becomes 300. 700 minus 300 becomes 400. 550 minus 300 becomes 250. 300 minus 250 becomes 50. So therefore number of successful girls is equal to alpha B. So alpha B, the value is 400. Number of unsuccessful girls is equal to alpha beta. So value is 50. And number of unsuccessful boys is nothing but A beta. So value is 250.